What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are back on this Nissan Titan again. Now, I've had two different users reach out and say that their issue was related to the throttle body. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna pull that off and inspect that and see what's going on there. So let's get right to it. All right, first thing we're gonna do is pull this cover off. All right, next we're gonna take off these clamps right here. Okay, so right here in the back we do have a harness. We have 4 screws here, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and then we have two clamps down below to release. Okay, next we got our 4 screws. Okay, we're gonna have a little clip here, push down and release, and there's your throttle body. All right, so here's the throttle body. It is out of the vehicle. Looking at it, it looks pretty clean. So considering the fact that there is an electrical component on here, maybe that's where the problem lies. Now, it's not like you can just open this up and inspect the circuitry to see if something's corroded or damaged or what have you. But for the fact that one particular user reached out and said that they've had this replaced 2 times, that is a little bit of a concern. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research and see how much this part cost and what the options are moving forward. Okay, so here we have a replacement throttle body. Looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna install this, and I mean, at this point, what's to lose, right? We've tried so many other things, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. Well, in this particular case, the throttle body change did not solve the problem, so we're on to the next thing to figure out what it is. It's your boy BT, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.